Hello, in front of me I've got Attack Shark v6. In this video I'll show you how to create and assign macro. To create macro on your mouse, let's go to Attack Shark app and Macro Manager. Now, name your macro, select mouse action and select record. Next you can select delay or import or export macro. Tap stop and macro is set. Now you can assign macro to your mouse. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.